What's up friends, welcome to Mathscitement. In this video we are going to talk about right angle. But before that, please subscribe, like, comment and share our video. So let's get started. So what is a right angle? Right angle is an angle which measures 90 degrees. So let's make a right angle. So let's place the center of the protractor directly over the vertex. 90 is anyway in this at the center of the protractor, so we mark 90 and we make a small square which is a symbol of right angle. To denote the right angle, we make a small square. So as we have talked in our previous videos, that for a ray to move about completely around the vertex, it has to do that in 360 equal parts or 360 degrees. It covers 360 degrees to completely move about the vertex. What difference do you see in these two images? The difference that I notice here is that the ray OA has moved about the vertex OA quarterly or 1/4, right? So 2 points you need to notice about the right angle. The measurement is always 90 degrees. I think I should have written this way: angle BOA is equal to 90 degrees, and the ray has to move quarterly. It has to make a quarter turn rather around the vertex to reach the 90 degrees, to make a 90-degree inclination. And we make a small square to signify a right angle. So this was all about right angle. See you in our next video. Bye bye.